Jack Teixeira, a Massachusetts Air National Guardsman, shocked the world when he leaked highly classified documents about the war in Ukraine. Serving as an information technology specialist, Teixeira exposed secret assessments of Russia's involvement in Ukraine, among other sensitive information. This act, far from ordinary, has been cited as one of the most significant violations of the Espionage Act in American history. Despite the severity of his actions, Teixeira boldly declared himself a proud patriot, asserting that he was merely correcting misinformation. The fallout from Teixeira's actions was swift and severe. The courts didn't hesitate to mete out justice, sentencing him to a hefty 15 years in prison for federal charges tied to the leak. A serious accusation, Teixeira was found guilty of willful retention and transmission of national defense information. This wasn't a simple case of oversharing on social media. No, this was a grave breach of trust, a violation of the highest order against the nation's security. But the legal troubles for Teixeira were far from over. In a recent turn of events, Teixeira found himself in a military court-martial, facing charges of obstructing justice. This was no ordinary trial. Teixeira was accused of disposing of electronic devices and directing the deletion of messages, all in an effort to obstruct the course of justice. He had already been sentenced to 15 years in prison for leaking classified documents, but this was a new battlefield. A plea agreement was reached, dropping a charge of disobeying orders and leading to an expected sentence of dishonorable discharge with no additional jail time. Teixeira pleaded guilty, but his court-martial has sparked debate and controversy. In the aftermath of the court-martial, public opinion is divided. Some hail Jack Teixeira as a proud patriot, a man who dared to expose what he believed to be lies. Others see him as a criminal, someone who leaked classified documents, endangering national security. His lawyers painted a picture of an autistic individual who did not intend to cause harm. His parents pleaded for understanding, for a second chance for their son, who they insist made a mistake. As the dust settles, one thing is certain: the case of Jack Teixeira will long be remembered as a significant event in the annals of American justice. Join our community of informed citizens. Subscribe to your daily dose of news and be part of the conversation.